Windscribe VPN masks your physical location from third parties via an encrypted tunnel and lets you access geolocked content from anywhere. With a Windscribe VPN subscription, you can enjoy unlimited downloads and unlimited simultaneous connections. Windscribe primarily uses the IKE version 2 IPsec encryption protocol in its clients, which are both very secure. Windscribe VPN supports split tunneling. This way you can choose which apps should go over VPN tunnel. Let us see how to enable split tunneling feature on Windscribe VPN app. First, open the app and click on 3-bar hamburger icon. On the preference page, tap on connection option. A new user interface will be opened here. Click on split tunneling. Here you can choose which apps to exclude or include from Windscribe VPN when connected. Now click on split tunneling option. As soon as you activate the split tunneling feature, you will be presented with mode option. Click on it. Here you will be given two options. The first one is inclusive and the second one is exclusive. Click on inclusive option. Now click on search option, which is located below the apps heading. Here you can tick the apps which will go through the Windscribe VPN when connected. For example, here I am choosing the Chrome browser to go through the Windscribe VPN tunnel when connected. You can choose any app you want. Now come back and change the mode to exclusive option and click on search icon. Here you can tick the apps which will not go through the Windscribe VPN when connected. For example, here I am choosing Amazon app to not to go through the VPN tunnel when connected. You can choose any app you want. Now come back to the Windscribe VPN app dashboard and click on circular icon to get connected. This way you can choose which apps will go through the VPN and which ones are not. At any time you can disable the split tunneling option if you want to. First, disable the VPN by clicking on circular icon. Now click on 3-bar hamburger icon. On the preference page, click on connection option. Here you can see it is showing split tunneling on. Click on it. Now click on split tunneling option. This will turn off the split tunneling option and you can use the Windscribe VPN as a normal VPN. So this was the quick introduction of the split tunneling feature of Windscribe VPN app. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.